Hello and welcome back to the King Cole how-to videos. So today we're going to look at mock cable. This is where without a cable needle you create this twisted effect. So on this one it's a 4-row pattern repeat, and so that we've got a little bit of a gap between each of the mock cables, I've got a purl 2 in the middle. You can have as many pearls as you like between the middle, or as many other stitches between the different mock cables as you want, but for this, just for demonstration purposes, I've done 2. So this is a 4-row pattern repeat. The first row is just doing purl and knit. So I'm going to start by working a purl 2 and then knit 3, and then repeat that across the row. So I've got my purl 2, knit 3, final purl 2, knit 3, and then finish with a purl 2. So that's my first row of the repeat, and then we turn round and we work across the back. So you're keeping like a striped effect going there at the back. So we're going to start with a knit 2. So it's just the complete opposite of what we did on the row below. So in this case, knit 2 and then purl 3. Really straightforward stuff if you've been doing knitting for a little while. So carry on to the end, and then we get on to the interesting row. Okay, so you can see there that we've now got the distance that we need between the twists. So on this row we start as before with a purl 2. Then you take the yarn to the back of the work between the needles and you slip purl ways, right? So you're going in from the back of the stitch and up through the front and just take it off. I'll do that for you again in a minute. Then we're going to knit 1, bring the yarn forward and over the top of the needle, and then knit the next stitch as well. So I've now got 4 stitches because I've increased and I've got this hole. Then you pick up the stitch that you slipped and you pop it over the top, and that's that one. So I'll do another one for you. We purl 2, so we've got a little gap between. Then slip the first stitch purl ways, knit 1, all the time the yarn's got to be at the back, bring the yarn between the stitches and over the top, and then knit the next stitch. So again, I've got 4, but we need to get back to 3. So you pick that, loop it over. Okay, then I'll just purl the final 2 and work it again. So the yarn's at the back, slip it purl ways, knit 1, bring the yarn through and over, knit 1, you've got your 4 stitches, take that back over, so we're back to 3, and then purl 2, and that shows you there how you've created this long stitch across. We'll then turn round and work the knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2 across the back, and that is the end of the 4-row repeat. And there you can see you've got your holes here. When you've worked some more distance here, you'll also find the hole in the same place on this row, and again there. So I hope you find that useful. This appears on quite a lot of patterns, so it's just a useful one to know. Hope that helps. Bye.